Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for stopping by. How is your day going? How are you preparing for the Christmas, the long holiday? Okay, so today I'll be showing you how to make groundnut soup. I've been hearing a lot about this soup and I decided to try it out, and I tasted, someone made it for me and I tasted it and I was like, wow. That was a surprise. It was so yummy. I ate it with rice. Apparently you can eat this with potatoes, yams, rice, even with gari, so stick around and I will show you how it's made. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel, like, share, leave a comment, and let me know if you tried it out. How did it go? Thank you guys. So we need onions, we need green peppers, we need tomatoes, we need cubes, Maggi cubes, fish, ginger and garlic, crayfish, vegetable oil. All these ingredients will be used to cook this yummy, yummy soup. It's kind of like a stew-like soup. So go ahead, wash up your groundnut. I used about 2 cups of groundnut.
Blow right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all.
We'll be blending it pretty soon. Put it in the blender. Put in a little water just so that it comes out in a paste-like form. Go ahead and put your water. This is about a couple of
We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
We're just making sure that we are blending. This is the consistency. We've blended it enough, and this is how it should look like. Thick and creamy. So go ahead and throw in your onions, fry it until it sweats out and it's just a big brown. And then we're gonna pour in our tomatoes, chopped and diced. I'm gonna be frying this for about 10 minutes so that it's properly fried. It smells so good, guys. It smells so good. The house is just like the aroma, wow. Go ahead, fry it up like so. So we're gonna pour in our fresh bell pepper now. Go ahead, chop in the pepper. If you like a bit more pepper, you can chop in any other pepper you like. But I'm already using paprika, so this is enough. And you see that ginger and garlic, that is for the flavor. Lots of ginger and garlic. It is going to be so yummy. So yummy. Next thing is we're going to put in a paprika. I love a lot of pepper. Like, I love spice. That's a lot. You can put it as you like. You use less than that. I love a lot of spice. That's the bouillon cubes I'm using. It's called Knorr cubes. Very popular with Nigerians and Africans, I guess. Put in any spice you like. You just make it simple, not the time and the hurry, just bouillon cubes. Then I'm gonna go ahead and pour in my water, put salt to taste. Just eyeball it. The water should just be according to the paste, the quantity of paste you have. And that water I used was about 3 cups of water because I have a lot of paste. Go ahead, stir it properly, stir it evenly, and you can lower the heat because the groundnut tends to start burning. So if your heat is too much, lower it, lower the heat so that it cooks properly. I cooked this for 20 minutes, so that is because I use raw groundnut. Okay, so the next step, we're gonna just put in a crayfish. We love crayfish. Like, crayfish just gives it another kind of smell and aroma, like really yummy, really yummy, really yummy. Cover it. At this point, you have to lower your gas so that it doesn't burn. See the texture. So you can go ahead and put in light sauce, whatever you use. If you use chicken, you can go ahead to use chicken. Use turkey, whatever you feel like, goat meat, whatever. I just felt like eating fish this time around, so I fried up my fish. And on the other side of the stove, I was making some rice because I heard you can eat this with rice, potatoes, yams. You can even use it with swallow, gari, fufu. That's what I heard, but I just want to try it out with rice and see how it goes. That's the rice there. Let's cook your regular white rice and pair it with the groundnuts. Look at how it makes. So good, so yummy. I tasted it, it was so good.
So we are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are
So there you go, guys. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, like, share, comment, leave a comment down below and let me know how it went. See you guys in the next video. Bye.